my Temu order just arrived, guys. So I will be unboxing it. I'll be unboxing the items, and while unboxing I'll be giving my my honest review based on the items. So come with me, let's do this together, guys. So this order just came day before yesterday, as you can see the barcode. So this order took 6 days, I think. Yes, 6 days to get delivered. So guys, let's unbox it and see what we have in here. So I'll be opening it right now. As you can see, I have not opened it. So let's get started. I hope what I ordered is actually what is in here. Okay, so okay, so this is it, guys. So let's start picking them one after the other. I will go with the main item that took me to Temu. I cannot wait to check on it. So this is the item that took me to Temu. This is the item. This is wireless microphone. This is wireless microphone. So this is the main item that took me there. So I'll be checking on it. I hope what I ordered is actually what I got. So let's open the mic and see what it looks like, guys. Let's open the mic before we yeah, it fell on the floor, guys. So part of it is not well covered. It should have been covered so that while opening it will not be scattering. But all the same, I think what I ordered is what is in here. This is the microphone cover. This is the mic. Yeah, this is the mic. And it came with two microphones. It came with 2 microphones, as you can see. So this one I pick on. So, and it came with USB charger. I'll be using it to charge. In here there is no free gift. I made a mistake when I was ordering, although I was in the section of buy 3 get 3 free gifts, and then you buy other items. They have a specific amount that you will buy, so you can get the free gift. So I did that, but something happened. I think the amount wasn't completed, so I went ahead to make payment. I didn't know that I have actually made a mistake. I had so many challenges the time I was ordering this order, but thank God it later went successfully. But the free gift, I did not get it. Okay, so reason being that the way I tried to order was wrong. So it wasn't from Temu, it was actually my own fault. So let's head over to the second item. So I ordered this extension for my hair. So let's open it and see. Let's open it. Okay, guys, this is the extension. This is pre-stretched attachment. Okay, you don't need to stretch further. Okay, it is stretched already. As you can see, the tips, it is stretched already. So this is it. I think is of 3 pieces here. 3 pieces. See, 1, 2, 3 pieces. So I think this will go a long way. I think this can actually be enough for a braid, maybe boss braid. So yeah, that is all for this. Another item that we have in here is these sneakers. I think I'm loving it, guys. It's so cute. Let's open it and see. So yeah, this is the sneakers that I bought. I think it's looking so cute. I think it's beautiful, right? What do you think? I like it. Like, I love it. It's light. It's not heavy. I don't like heavy sneakers. So what do you think? This is the other leg. So this is how the sneakers look like. I think it's nice. I love it. It's so beautiful. Next item that I have here is power bank. I bought this for a reason, though. It has touch. It has touch. So this is smiling shark. So guys, this is it. I cannot wait to try it though. So how do I on it? I want to check if the light can get turned on. Okay, it has power here, power on here. It has power on here. So let me check if okay, can you see me? Okay, I can even use this into film, like, okay, it's looking so nice. It's looking nice. I think it has only one color. It has only one color. Let me off it. Oh, it has another light here. Okay, it's becoming interesting. Okay, it has another light here. Okay, it's off now. It has bulb here and another bulb here, and you can charge your phone here. This is the USB for your phone charging. This is the USB for your phone charging. It's looking nice. This is the USB for phone charging. It's looking nice. I love it. I love it. In here I have this rubber band. I have bought rubber band before for my hair, but the one I bought wasn't strong. It wasn't holding up my hair, so I saw this one and I was so convinced that this one is much more stronger, and I think it's really stronger. Yeah, so this is it. I think it's about 600 pieces over here, so I'm loving it. So this is rubber band, as I'm having a very strong natural hair, so this is going to help me. Guys, the rubber band is 2. I can't remember ordering 2 rubber bands. It's 2 here. Honestly, I can't remember ordering 2. I'll still go back to check. In here I have these jewelries. So let's go ahead and open. I bought some jewelries. Woo! Okay, so this is the bracelet. It's cute, it's nice. This is the necklace. This is the ring. This is the earrings. This is the earring. It's looking beautiful. So this is all of them here. The bracelet, the necklace, and the ring. So this is what I have for this. So the last but not the least is will I call it a waist trainer? It's not really a waist trainer, but it's a kind of ghetto, you know, that will help me manage my big tummy. So this is it. This is how it is looking. It's looking too way small, but I think, yeah, it's stretchable. It's stretchable. So I saw it. I decided to order it because I saw a very positive review under it. I said, okay, let me give it a try. So this is a kind of ghetto. This is the front, and this is the back. This is the back. So this is the back. So I hope it fits. I went for the small size. So lovelies, if you ask me what I think about these items, I will say 100, because what I ordered is actually what I got. It is actually what they delivered to me. Nothing missing, nothing broken. So will I be ordering on Temu again? Of course, yes. Although this is not my first time of ordering on Temu, this is actually my 3rd time. But first and second time came with a free gift, but it's quite unfortunate that something happened this time around. I made a mistake, so I couldn't get a free gift. So do you think that the items worth it? For me, I think they worth it. Please, if you have not given this video a thumbs up, please go ahead and support your girl. Give it a thumbs up until I see you all in my next video. Ciao, ciao.